Today's a pretty exciting day. What's the first thing that you should do in a permaculture installation? Actually, let's take that back, not installation. Just the first bit of anything to do is secure your water. And today, we've already been securing our water. You can see right there, IBC totes on a suburban site, but we're adding a little extra flair. Come check this out. We're going from asphalt to metal. Metal! These guys were cool enough to graciously let me work on my own roof. What up, man? First part's tear down.
Eso, a trabajar duro. Trabájele duro.
Narration in Spanish. La verdad, yo soy medio mexicano.
Así trabajan los mexicanos.
Pero, Dios español, roto. Give me back my camera. How long have you been doing roofs? ¿Cuántos años usted trabaja on the roof?
28.
28 years? ¿Cómo se llama?
Filiberto.
Barberto, y de otro nombre?
Raúl Valderas.
Raúl Valderas.
Jairo Valderas.
¿Y de dónde usted?
De Zacatecas.
Zacatecas.
Ah,
Órale.
Zacatecas.
These guys are a trip, man. All right, well, you know, having a baby and getting roofing done simultaneously during nap time does not make happy baby or happy mama. So right now we've got basically hammering in all these nails, leaving this tarp in, and then we've got the better ice and water peeling stick going on there, which is the next phase. So getting that done. Oh, looks like we got a hole too. So we've started, you know, we're halfway into day one with this roof project, and one of the guys really wanted to come inside. I told him next time he wants to come in, he just has to knock on the door. So, roof project is going into day two, and we've got the metal extruder out for the metal roof. So the metal comes in a roll from the manufacturer and then goes through this machine, and it gets cut at appropriate length, as you can see from the cone here. And it also puts the crimp so it becomes seamless. So there actually is screws that go through it, but one panel lays over the other panel and it hides the screw. So it's a really nice machine if you're able to work with a crew who can get a hold of one. Drastically could potentially bring the price and the cost of labor way down. So we'll get back to work with these guys. Isn't this a cool operation? So this is where you can see what I'm talking about. So, you know, here's the roof, right? Metal up to the top. So each one of these, the extruder puts this on it. And then it has this end piece here, which goes over that. That gets screwed in to the decking. And then the other piece, as you can see, the one next to it, it goes over this, so it appears to be seamless. It's a good design. So it's been 7, 8, almost 9 days since we completed the metal roof project. And it was a Friday, it was last day, just a couple of rivets needed to be put in, but it just started torrentially pouring. Like, I couldn't have written a better time to wait till the last minute to put that roof in. Here, take a look at this. So it's hard to see, but over the 7 to 9 days, I think, you know, I don't want to lie to you, but that 5 inches, because it was just full earlier, we had our first sunny day today, came down in the first 2 days of the last 7 days, and this is the first day it hasn't really rained all day long. So we made it right in time. Let's take a quick look, and we'll close it out with that. But I want to leave you guys with, you know, if you're wondering what's the first thing to do when you're starting permaculture, capture your rainwater. Okay? Slow it, sink it, spread it, all the goodness. Capture it up, and one of the best ways to do it, especially if you want to drink it, is get a metal roof on your dwelling.